Question 15. So it gives you the base radius and also the height of this circular cone. It's 10 and 24 cm respectively. Okay, it asks you to express the curved surface area of the cone. So remember, this one is pi r L. Okay, so part A, the curved surface area will be pi times r is 10 and L is the slant height. Therefore, slant height you need to use the Pythagoras theorem to get it. So it should be 10 square plus 24 square and square root. Therefore, it's 260 pi cm square. Okay. And part B. So the cone is divided into 3 parts, which is parallel to its base. The middle part is a frustum with a height 6 cm and the radius of the lower base of the frustum is 7.5 cm. Express the curved surface area of the middle part in terms of pi. So what you need to do is to draw out a figure. So you have the cone divided into 3 parts. Okay, and then after you get this one, you need to mark down the information that you have. So the height is 24, the base radius is 10, the frustum is 7.5, and then the height of the middle part is 6. Okay, so for your curved surface area, okay, that you want is the middle part. Then my suggestion is that I want to calculate the top part, the smallest cone, and also the middle part, the curved surface area first, and then I want to find out the slant height of the middle plus the smallest part of the cone. And then after I get this one, I can have the height of the smallest cone. After that, I can find out the smallest cone radius. Finally, I can have the find out the curved surface area of the first part and the frustum minus the first part. Then I can get the middle part frustum, the curved surface area. So it will be a quite difficult one, a long one. Okay. So firstly, I will let A be the curved surface area. But you need to write down more clearly. Okay, of which part? So of smallest cone and middle frustum. So because the curved surface area of the smallest cone and also middle frustum will be similar to the big cone. So you can write down the ratio here. Remember, it should be 10 over 7.5 all square here. Then let's calculate it. So 10 divided by 7.5 square, okay, and then 260 divided answer. And then you change it, becomes 5x5 divided by 4. And then have a pi. Remember, don't write the decimal. Okay, don't write the decimal. You need to use a fraction, okay, before the pi. Okay, after I get this one, then I can let L be the slant height. But you need to also mark down more clearly. Which part do you mean? Okay, I mean the slant height of the smallest cone and the middle frustum. So pi times 7.5 times the L equals to 585 over 4 pi here. Therefore, my L is actually 19.5. And I want to calculate the height of the smallest part of the height of the cone. Therefore, I need to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, height of the smallest cone equals to square root 19.5 square minus 7.5 square, and I need to minus the 6. because for the first part here, I'm calculating the height of the cone and also the middle frustum. And then I minus 6 means that I just calculate the height of the smallest cone. Then the answer will be 12 here. And then I can find out the radius of the smallest cone. Okay, because I have the height here. Okay, so let R be the radius of smallest cone. Again, you have to mark down which part do you mean. Okay, which radius do you mean? So R divided by the 7.5 equals to the 12 divided by 12 per 6. So R is equals to the 5. Finally, we can jump to the last part. So the curved surface area of middle part equals to the largest one. So the largest one is the pi times 7.5 and then times the 19.5 minus the top part, the smallest cone's curved surface area. So pi times the 5 and then times the slant height. The slant height is 5 square plus 12 square. Then we can have the 325 divided by 4 pi cm square. Remember, don't write the 81.25 pi. Okay, you need to give me the we need to give me the fraction.